Stop saying justify. This one word makes you sound 10x smarter. Warrant. Pronounce it as warrant, rhyming with torrent. It means to justify, deserve, or officially authorize a course of action. When the employee made a tiny mistake, the manager knew it didn't warrant firing her, so he offered constructive feedback instead. Instead of saying justify, say warrant to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word warrant in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.